Lived-in precision, an empowering concept. Hair fashion continues to be told through a visual and wearable stories. Shake up the imagination. Think past happy eras, the roaring 20s, the summer of love in the 60s, and the loved-up rave scene of the 80s. Consumers will seek out looks that stimulate and make proactive or confident statements. Rise up and rediscover the joy in design. Embrace the opportunity, and most of all, have fun.
Today we will be creating a curly finished look on Noelle that will last for multiple days. Ashley has determined that Noelle has a 6-7 coil pattern that will support the technique she is demonstrating. Once the hair has been prepared with shampoo and conditioner, isolate the hair that's not in use under a processing cap to minimize it drying out. Starting from the base of the head, drop hair from the nape down and saturate with water. Spray Mizani 25 Miracle Milk as a detangler. Using a Samvia 9-row finishing brush, gently detangle the hair. Hold the hair at the midshaft securely to minimize tension and pulling on the scalp. Once the hair is detangled, then spray Mizani Cocoa Dew into the hair. Layer with Mizani foam wrap. This combination of products creates the perfect balance of moisture and control for curly hair. Once the hair is fully saturated, then use the Samvia paddle brush to gently comb through the hair. This helps to evenly distribute the product as well as isolate individual coils of curl. Gently scrunch the curl in your hand to encourage more curl pattern. To create uniform curls, you can separate larger coils so they are balanced throughout the hair. Next, take another horizontal section, exposing more hair from outside of the processing cap, and begin working with that section. Follow the same steps as before. Saturate the hair with water, followed by Mizani 25 Miracle Milk to detangle. Layer with Mizani Cocoa Dew, followed by Mizani foam wrap. Notice how Ashley continues to place one hand underneath the working section so that she does not disturb the hair underneath that she has already set. This helps to give complete saturation of product in the section that she's working in, ensuring the curl pattern stays consistent in her previous section. Again, using the Samvia paddle brush, comb through the hair, ensuring that you're using that second hand as protection between the previous section and the section you're working on. Gently take the hair into the palm of your hand to scrunch the curl to encourage the set. Notice how Ashley is checking the curls for uniformity, adjusting curls as needed so there's consistency in the end result. Continue to the side of the head. taking your horizontal line of sectioning to drop hair for your next section. Remember to isolate the hair on top of the head in a processing cap so it will not dry out. Repeat the steps of layering the product in the hair, then brushing through it to ensure that it's fully saturated. On the side, you'll also scrunch the hair to encourage the coil pattern and set the foundation. When working with textured hair, think about the tools that you're using. Typically, to detangle hair, we might reach for a comb, but the teeth of a comb are inflexible. Using the Samvia paddle brush, the pins are flexible, which are much more forgiving through textured and coiled hair. As you work through the head, continue the steps. Layer your product, scrunch and isolate the coils with the appropriate tools. Continue this process until you've reached the top of the head. By carefully taking these sections and creating the set, we're giving longevity to this shape. If this hair was styled without the set, the curl pattern would be disturbed after one night of sleep, causing the client to have to reset the hair again the second day. When we take the time to put the appropriate foundation partnered with the right products and tools, we can extend the life of this style for up to 5 to 7 days. Now we're going to diffuse the hair dry. Ensuring that you have a bowl diffuser on your dryer will be the key to this end result. First, move the dryer outside of the head shape as to not disturb the curl set. Be sure that your dryer is on high heat but low air. Once the hair begins to dry, you can capture the coils in the diffuser to encourage more volume in the set. Ask your client to move her head side to side. Have her look up and have her look down to effectively get to the curls as you're drying. These steps will create maximum volume in this shape. If you prefer low volume, we suggest you place your client under a hood dryer for this drying process. Once the hair is 80 to 90% dry, you will then apply Mizani 25 Miracle Oil and shake the curls out from roots to ends. Massage the root for added volume, then you can scrunch the hair with oil for more curl separation. You can now separate the curls and expand the volume on the shape using more of the 25 Miracle Oil. Look at this Noelle finish. Indestructible curl that will last her for multiple days. You know she is going to rock this look. Using the right foundation of products, the perfect partnership of the right tools creates incredible results.